the Provincial Administrator Nabouwalu, senior government officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to all of you. It's a great pleasure to be here in Nabouwalu today for the 11th phase of the Micro and Small Business Grant disbursement for this financial year. I'm excited as I will personally meet and hear from our micro and small entrepreneurs, and I'm glad to bring one of the government's most important programs to another part of Vanuatu. I'm always inspired, ladies and gentlemen, by the ambition and drive in the Northern Division, with so many Fijians keen on taking their business to the next level. The vision of the Fijian government, ladies and gentlemen, that it has for all of you is to see that you all progress and you all actually graduate to the next level. We want you to grow, and we will provide you the relevant support that is necessary to make business and the business environment conducive for you to excel. Ladies and gentlemen, we have actually reached a milestone with today's disbursement. We have more than doubled our initial commitment to the people of Nabouwalu and Bua. Last year we disbursed grants to 699 recipients here in Nabouwalu, and today a total of 1,645 people will be receiving their grant. And this brings the total number of entrepreneurs assisted in Nabouwalu this far to 2,344, supporting and making a difference in the lives of 11,720 Fijians. We have involved the FDB for a special reason, and you are now part of the bank's processes, so that when your business grows bigger and you want further financial support to grow your businesses, you can go to the FDB and they'll advise you, and they already know who you are and that the government gave you its tick of approval. Ladies and gentlemen, we are glad that we have been able to contribute to your growth, and we are confident that you'll be able to carry your business forward and make it a very successful venture. To all the recipients, please remember, this is not a handout. You can't just take the money and spend it on anything you like. It's a leg up, and it's an extremely important one. Today, micro and small entrepreneurs are counted as key contributors to the Fijian economy. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we are giving you the ability to help yourselves and your families, and we are putting our confidence in you and trust in you to use this assistance well, because we see you as a part of the national effort to promote a business culture in Fiji and to create a solid base of small businesses who can be the backbone of our economy. Just as the MSME sector is the backbone of every successful modern nation. Ladies and gentlemen, last Friday I disbursed grants in Taviuni on Monday, in Savu, and another disbursement is planned for Senganga tomorrow. So that by the end of this week, the number of individual Fijians who have benefited from this program for this financial year will be 7,303 for the Northern Division. Ladies and gentlemen, the MSME sector is a nursery for entrepreneurship and a school for innovation. The MSME sector is crucial for the success of a national agenda of financial inclusion, and your government is keen to involve everyone and ensure that no one is left behind. I apologize, I think there's a power failure, ladies and gentlemen, so I hope you can hear me. We want as many of you as possible to be in a position to be able to access finance from the banks to expand your current businesses. Small businesses don't remain small. Many grow quickly to become medium and big businesses. And be ambitious and strive for yourselves and for your country. Ladies and gentlemen, we have recognized your drive and we have recognized your passion and we will provide you with the necessary support in terms of training and also in terms of mentoring. And we want you to grow and we want you to prosper. We want your products, your produce, and your services to reach the markets beyond Fiji. The development of this sector, ladies and gentlemen, is crucial in generating significant levels of employment across the country. More so, since we have such a large, young and educated population which is on the lookout for employment. It is the vision of the Fijian government to ignite entrepreneurial spirit in all Fijians. And this is embedded in our 5-year and our 20-year National Development Plan. And the NDP sets out the overall vision of promoting entrepreneurial culture through sustainable micro, small, and medium enterprises. The growth of the MSMEs is essential, ladies and gentlemen, for job creation, for income generation, the rural development, poverty alleviation, and empowerment of youth and women. And so therefore, policy interventions have focused on improving the institutional setting and access to finance and business incubation and training and connecting MSMEs to markets. We have sown the seeds, ladies and gentlemen, which you will reap the fruits of in the coming years. And that is by providing a grant to start a new business or support existing ones. And the benefits will surely be realized if you are able to keep up your promises and make good use of this particular grant. To either buy what you need to start your own businesses or to improve the business that you already have. Through the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism and the National Center for Small and Micro Enterprise Development, we can offer you advice and mentoring and training and support. We are putting our confidence and trust in you to use this assistance properly, and because all of you have been thoroughly and carefully assessed by the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism and the Fiji Development Bank to ensure that only those who genuinely need this assistance are supported. So ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, I strongly encourage all the recipients to make the most of the investment that government has made in your respective businesses. And I wish you all well in your business ventures. Thank you very much. Nabouwalu.
On my left tent, the white tent on my left. Please, if you are looking for somewhere to sit, we have some empty chairs. Ratu Meli Ramatai, Kalisi Ratundranga, Kalisi Ratundranga,
11. Andi Rayambe.
What's your number again? 10.
Andi Bani Wanono Weti.
28.
Andi Wanga Dibuloko.
29.
Andrea Mata.
31.
Andriano Vangi.
33.
Isaac Skuna.
34. 55.
Akuila Ramutumotu.
56.
Akuila Lawawere.
59.
Akuila Honu.
60.
Akuila Mbolatangani.
63. 72.
Alisi Mailawanga.
73.
Alisi Lemba.
74.
Alisi Susu.
75,
Alisi Takayawa,
76, 88,
Amele Ravake,
89,
Amele Serei,
90,
Amelia Leitana,
91,
Amelia Ndisongo,
92,
Amelia Sese,
93,
Amelia Ndikula,
94,
Anil Kumar, Anita Devi, Anita Devi,
57.
Anita Devi,
What is your number?
Anashnu Mala,
59.
Apaitia Tukana, Wangana Vanua,
105,
Anga Vusamu,
106,
Anna Yava,
107,
Anna Vasanimbole,
108,
Anna Maria Yava,
109,
Anna Samaserewa,
110.
Receipt mengke home number ke? Good. Asal kau number itu.
Mawati, Virendra Prasad, Dayana Batina, Dayana Vakaretu,